Hello, this is Edson Oliveira. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to solder a watch dial foot or pins without staining the dial face. In most watches, you will pull out the crown to see the stem release point. That's right here, close to the stem. When both pins are broken, the dials will spin. This dial is not in such a good condition, but anyway, it's okay to demonstrate this soldering technique. Make a V-cut on a piece of paper and insert underneath the hands to protect the dial face. With the hands remover, lift the hands gently. For those unfamiliar with watch repair, most watches have two pins that hold the dial in its place. And now, we need to clean up the surface. And now, with a tiny milling tool, you can make a little hole. And then you will need a tiny and a copper wire. You have to roll it around the copper wire. After that, apply some liquid flux to the surface of the place we're gonna solder for both pins. Gently press it so it doesn't bend. In this part, you need to be careful so it doesn't exceed the amount of soldering. Excess of soldering might block some parts from moving, such as the calendar wheel. And if it's too little, the soldering will not work, will not hold in its place. Now the diode is ready to put back in its place. Well, that's it. This is one way of soldering. There's also the high voltage soldering, which is very effective, but we need a lot of practice to adjust the right voltage for each type of diode material. Otherwise, we'll damage it, we will burn it. With this technique I just showed you, it's easier because the liquid flux helps the stand to melt quickly to the surface where you're soldering, avoiding the risk of burning the diode paint. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and see you in another tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.